Well, here comes the rain again, so I'm gonna go out and get into the greenhouse. All right, time to do some watering. Another day tending the garden and the greenhouse and just enjoying my chickens. This has been like 2 minutes of rain, and that's already halfway up the bottom step. That's our driveway off the street. Starting to slow down now. And there is the spillway that goes into my yard. And it follows it down like that. And if it keeps up, that whole neighbor's driveway will be full of water. And it'll be surrounding my garden, which is 36 inches up off the ground, for which I am very blessed and thankful for. I wasn't sure if this would pick up the ripples in the road there, but it does. They're headed our way, all those ripples. Now the neighbor's driveway sets up a little bit, and so it just runs across it. But we actually sit at a V. So in the middle of our street, we are the V. I normally don't mind the V too much because I always end up with something brand new in my yard after May, when all the rains have came, and from both sides of my road it has washed in something. One time it washed in a beautiful Cosmo. If I can find a picture, I'll show you that. That thing must have got 7 foot tall, and it had the most beautiful pink flowers on it. It was awesome. So, you know, you can always find a blessing somewhere. All you gotta do is look for it.